Hello everyone, Sharif Abu Zaid here again, and in this quick video I want to show you how you can set up a lead generation funnel using WordPress that will help you collect leads 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for your online business. During this video I will show you how you can set up this landing page where you can add an attractive title, an image for your PDF or checklist, a benefit driven bullet points, and a sign up form. So when someone signs up by adding their name and email address and they click sign up now, they will be redirected into a thank you page where they will be asked to check their inbox to download the free PDF or checklist or whatever free lead magnet that you have offered your leads. All of this will be done using one WordPress plugin only to set up the lead generation page or the landing page and also the thank you page. Now let me show you how you can quickly set up this lead generation funnel using WordPress using free tools as well. So now to set up this or design this landing page, we need to go to our WordPress website. I need to install a plugin called Kadence Blocks. You can actually use the Kadence Blocks free version to design the lead generation page and the thank you page, and even add the sign up form and connect this to MailerLite, Fluent CRM for free. But if you want to connect this to something like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit or Sendinblue or MailChimp, you need to have the Kadence Blocks Pro extension. But I'll be using the free version of Kadence Blocks to show you how you can set up this lead generation funnel pages, the landing page and the thank you page. Now let me start by creating a new page, which is the lead generation page. So let's go to all pages and click add new, and let's give this a name. And now we can start designing our lead generation page. And the first step that we need to take is to add a rollout to have this 2-column layout or section. So we need to click here and drag the rollout of Kadence Blocks. So let's drag it here and let's choose a 2-column rollout, and let's start by adding our image or the image of our free PDF. And to access or to add an image, we need to click this plus button here and search for an image block. Let's choose this image here and select our image. This is my image. I just click here and select. Now this is my image. Of course I can resize this image to whatever I want. I can make this like center aligned here. I can control the maximum width from this part here. Now I like this part. Now I need to add my title first in the left part of or the left sidebar of the screen. To add a title, I need to add another block and search for the advanced text. This is the advanced text, and here I need to add my title, and this is my title. Now to add something below this, to add something like a paragraph or a bullet point, you just need to click here and click add after, and here we can add a paragraph. So let me add a small paragraph quickly. So we just write it down here. And now we need to add our bullet points or data driven or benefit driven actually bullet points. To add a bullet points, access our Kadence Blocks is giving us a block called icon list. So let's click here and search for an icon list. This is the icon list. Now we can start by adding the content of our first icon list. And this is the content of our first benefit driven bullet point. Now to add another bullet point, you just need to click enter. To add another bullet point, I'll be adding the content of 2 other bullet points quickly. So now we have our 3 benefit driven bullet points. Now to control the design of the bullet points, make sure that you are using or you are choosing or selecting the icon list, and here in the right part of the screen or the right side bar you can control the size of the icon. So let's make this 25 pixels, and let's make this like the general tab. Let's increase the vertical spacing between the bullet points. Let's make this like 15 pixels, and let's make or align the icon to be at the top. And we even can change the title itself or the icon itself by going here and changing the icon styling. I like to use another icon. This is the icon that I like to use. And maybe also we can change the color. So let's change the color to be something like this. Now this looks beautiful. Now we need to add our sign up form or opt-in form to this page. To add the sign up form or opt-in form, there is a block called form, which is a more recent form block that has been added by Kadence Blocks that will help us quickly design our sign up form. So to add this, make sure that you are collecting or choosing the select list and click here and then click add after, and click add the block and search for form and choose the form or advanced form here, and you can start by creating a new form. So let's choose this one, which is a subscribe, and we can choose the style of like a basic style, and let's click create. And now we have a sign up form that includes an email and also only a submit button. But we can change this. We can add a name field by just clicking here and add our name field. So let's add a text field and call this under the field label. Let's call this first name, And now under the advanced tab, we need to go to extra settings, and for the default, we need to choose the first name. Now we have our email and first name. So if you want to move this first name up, we just choose it and click here. Now it is up here. If you want to choose, or if you want to change the position of the submit button, you need just to drag it and add it just below, something like the email, and then we can make it like here, down here, and we can choose this section and just delete this section. Or you know what, let's choose our rollout here and make this like one column. Now we have our email field, address, name field, email field, and submit button. If you want to increase the spacing between these fields, you need to make sure that you are choosing your rollout or section. Actually, make sure that choosing the section and increase this to something like 20 pixels. So now we have more spacing between the sign up forms. So now let's click publish and save, and let's view the page. So to see how it does it look like right now. So let me open this. So now this is our lead generation page. We need to, of course, to get rid of the header and footer of the page. To get rid of this, the header and footer and the page title, this will depend on which theme you are using. I'm actually using the Kadence theme in this case, which will make it easy for me to just remove the header and footer and also the page title by going to the page itself and click in the page settings and just disable the page title, disable the header and disable the footer. And when we click update and we go to the page and click refresh, you'll find now this page doesn't have a header and footer and also a page title. Now we need to connect this sign up form to our thank you page. But of course, first we need to create our thank you page. So let me quickly create a new page by clicking here and choosing new page. And let's call this thank you page. And to add a thank you message, we can simply again go to our plus button here and search for, I like to use the info box for this case. So let's go to the info box block. So let me find quickly. You know what? Let me just search for it here. Info. This is the info box I just added here. And now I have an icon and the title. I just changed the title to be something like thank you. And let me copy a message here that says, please check your ebook, your inbox to download the ebook. And that's it. Now let's click publish and let's view the page. And you know, before we view the page, let me quickly again disable the page title and disable the header and footer, and let's click update again. And let's go to our thank you page and let's click refresh. Now this is our thank you page. Now we need to connect this to our sign up form. So let's go back again to our landing page, and of course we need to click refresh to be able to connect the thank you page to the sign up form. Now to connect the thank you page with the sign up form, we need to make sure that we are choosing the advanced form block, and here under the submit action we need to click here and choose, let's remove the email, to choose to redirect people to a thank you page. And once you do this, you can choose which thank you page you need to redirect people to. I search for thank you page. So this is my thank you page. And also if you want to connect this to something like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit, you can do this under the submit actions. The Kadence Blocks free copy will help you connect this sign up form to MailerLite and Fluent CRM for free, and also send an email to someone who signs up for your email for your free lead magnet. But if you want to connect this to ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, MailChimp, or add a webhook or Sendinblue, you need to have the pro version of Kadence Blocks Pro. I'll be leaving down below my affiliate link if you like to buy Kadence Blocks Pro through my affiliate link. Now this lead generation funnel is ready. Maybe you need to change the submit button text. So you just click here now or to whatever list or whatever text you need, and let's click update and let's click save. And now let me open this page in incognito mode and try to replicate what we have done here. So let me open this incognito mode, and this is our new lead generation page. So let me add my name and email address. So let me add my name here. And you know what, we have forgotten something for the email field. It is best that you make the default value of the email field to be like email, and you can easily do this by going back again to your sign up form. When you choose the email field here under the block item, you need to go to the advanced tab under extra settings, default autofill. You need to choose the email. This will make it easy for your users to add their email fields quickly. So let's click update and save, and let's go to our page again. Let's click refresh. Now when I try to add my name here, you'll find that my name and email address has been added automatically or have been auto-filled. So let me click sign up now. and now I have been redirected into the thank you page, which we have actually set up a few seconds ago. So this is how easy you can set up a lead generation funnel using WordPress for your online business that will help you collect leads 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you like this video, please give me a like, and also please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I create similar videos every single day. Now, thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye for now.